Prince Harry's £38 million phone hacking lawsuit hits major financial warning. High Court judges sound alarm on devastating costs risk. As trial looms, could claimants face personal ruin if they lose? Prince Harry and 6 fellow high-profile claimants, including Baroness Doreen Lawrence, Sir Elton John, Elizabeth Hurley, and Sadie Frost, have been issued a stark financial warning by the High Court, as their £38 million privacy lawsuit against Associated Newspapers Limited, (ANL), publisher of the Daily Mail and Mail on Sunday, heads towards a blockbuster 9-week trial in January 2026. In a ruling delivered on Tuesday, December 9, Judge David Cook and Mr. Justice Nicklin cautioned the group that they must have the clearest possible understanding of the potentially catastrophic consequences should their case fail. Losing could leave individual claimants personally liable for millions in legal costs, a devastating financial burden that their current insurance arrangements might not fully cover. The judges highlighted a critical vulnerability in the claimants after the event, 8 insurance structure. The 7 share a collective policy worth £14.1 million to cover ANL's costs if they all lose, while each holds individual cover of £2.35 million. However, if some win and others lose, or if any drop out, those on the losing side could face bills far exceeding their personal cap. If that means the individual claimants need to reassess their 8 cover, that can only be in their own best interests, the judges stated bluntly. The warning comes as costs have already spiraled and are set to escalate further with trial preparations. Judge Cook emphasized the urgency. Substantial costs have already been incurred, and the parties will soon be incurring more substantial costs in preparation for the trial next year. Earlier rulings slashed the claimants' combined budget from an manifestly excessive £38.8 million to a more restrained £4.1 million, with ANL capped at £4.5 million. Yet the interlinked nature of the cases, each claimant's allegations intended to cross-support the others, creates a high-stakes gamble. A partial victory could still spell financial disaster for some. Harry, 41, is suing over alleged phone hacking, call bugging, and other unlawful practices between 1993 and 2011. His co-claimants include Baroness Lawrence, Sir Elton John and David Furnish, Sadie Frost, Elizabeth Hurley, and former MP Sir Simon Hughes. Bring similar accusations of industrial-scale, illegal newsgathering. ANL has vehemently denied all claims as lurid and preposterous, vowing to fight the case vigorously. The lawsuit has already weathered dramatic twists. Last month, private investigator Gavin Burrows, whose 2021 witness statement alleged landline tapping and car bugging on behalf of the Mail on Sunday, dramatically retracted his evidence, claiming the document was forged without his knowledge and contained substantially untrue statements. Burrows's reversal has been branded scurrilous by the claimant's lawyer David Sherburne, who accused ANL of attempting to discredit the case. The judges, however, allowed the new statement, insisting on, "This is open justice." For Harry, the case is deeply personal. Burroughs's original claim about tapping his friend Guy Pelly's phone to gather information on ex-girlfriend Chelsea Davy was a key factor in his decision to sue. In his own witness statement, Harry described the alleged intrusions as a major part of why my relationships failed, and accused the press of creating a climate of fear in his life. The financial warning adds another layer of pressure to an already high-stakes battle. Harry, who has funded multiple lawsuits against UK media, faces the prospect of personal liability that could run into millions if his case collapses. Baroness Lawrence, whose decades-long fight for justice after her son Stephen's murder made her a national figure, is equally invested. Sir Elton John and David Furnish, who have spoken of horrific intrusions into their private lives, joined the action after alleged bugging of their home. As January's trial approaches, the claimants must now weigh the judge's caution against their determination to hold the press accountable. For Harry, it's the latest chapter in his crusade against what he calls the toxic British tabloid culture that he blames for his mother's death and much of his own trauma. Victory could rewrite media law. Defeat could bankrupt even the richest among them. The High Court has made one thing crystal clear. This is no longer just about justice. It's a multi-million-pound gamble with everything to lose.